Hey, it's Jesse Eker, and today's video is an important one because there is a lot going on right now. There is a lot of tension, a lot of people who are fearful, who are angry, and there's just a lot of chaos that we're dealing with in the world. I want to first off acknowledge that I'm very blessed in my childhood and the way that I've grown up, and I am aware of that. I also want to acknowledge that I definitely don't know a lot in certain areas, and I don't want to make this video political, and I don't want to take a stance in that type of route. What I do want to do is make this video about the millionaire mindset and a principle that I believe that can be really helpful in a time like this. And a reminder for all of us that there are certain ways that we can be that are going to share more light and be more positive versus more negativity and adding to the chaos. So the principle I want to just remind everyone of for the millionaire mindset, to align ourselves to continue to have that millionaire mindset in times of chaos when we want to make change, is that change starts within. The things that we can control are our thoughts, feelings, and actions. And if we want to make changes in any type of way, things that we want to believe in, taking a stand for something, changing a result even, that all starts with within. It starts with what we're thinking, what we're feeling, and how we are acting. If we really want to be the change for ourselves, our families, our communities, our nation, humanity, then we need to start within. We always need to start within. And when we start within, we make a ripple effect to help others start within, and together we create change. But it always starts with us. So we need to be the change that we want to see. We want to be the change of the results that is possible for the future to come. So today, remember that there is, in relevant time, there's a lot going on, and I get it. I totally understand the angriness and where people are coming from, of course. But I want to take everyone a second to take the reminder of remembering that we are the steering wheel of our own life. We need to take responsibility for our actions and what we're doing in our lifetime. And so we need to remember to be the change first. All right? Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you listening. I appreciate you watching. And I'm very open to hearing any other thoughts and comments, of course, in the comments below. And I hope you have a great day. Let's make the best out of the worst situations and show up for ourselves, show up for our families, show up for our communities, show up for our nation, show up for humanity, the world. We're all in this together. We're the human race, and we have to unite together. And we need to send love across the world, and it starts with us. So thank you again, and I appreciate you, and I appreciate your commitment to learning and growing. Bye for now.